Hi, Steve the prop guy here. What I want to show you today is our EME35, and this features the autostart unit. As you can see on the front of the engine here, there's a gear train, a small electric motor. This is coupled to a relay and a separate power source apart from the receiver. So the relay is plugged into a redundant channel or a spare channel on the receiver, so we can start the model via the transmitter. No fingers in the way, very safe, and apart from the fact it looks really cool, but here we go with it. Very simple to install. Let's just see how the thing operates. Got power on. We're just going to flick up now. Kill the motor, and now we're going to go for a restart, and it's just this simple. Now then folks, how cool is that? No fingers in the way, very safe of course, easy to install, can be retrofitted to many other engines. Please ask us for details. It'll predominantly fit the DLEs, and of course our own EME engine comes with standard. If you bought an earlier engine, we can offer a fitting kit to upgrade it. Also available on the 60 engine and also on the 70 twin with this auto start feature. Full details are on our website. Thanks for watching. Enjoy and safe flying. Bye bye now.